Today's recipe is a really simple one using only 4 ingredients. It's a pan-fried tofu. So all you need is oil, green onions, tofu, and soy sauce. It's really simple, tastes fantastic. I always serve it on top of rice, so if you want to add a 5th ingredient, say rice, then go for it. But either way, it's really simple and you'll have it done in half an hour. So let's get to it. So if you have yourself a handy dandy tofu press, you can just press it easy. I'd always put a plate on it to get all the drippings. If you don't have one, just get 2 plates. Put the tofu between the plates and I put a bowl of water on top of it. That'll help squish all the fluids out. You do this for about 20 to 30 minutes before you start prepping your tofu. Alright, you're going to want to put about a tablespoon or 2 of whatever oil of your choice. I'm using toasted sesame seed oil because it just makes it all nice and fragrant and yummy. And I also have some water boiling with my rice in it, so I'm going to serve this over top of rice. Once the oil heats up, you're going to cut your tofu into 1/4 inch pieces that are about 2 by 4 inches, or whatever size you want. You can cut out the little blocks if you want. And you're going to fry them up in this oil. I'll cut back here once I have it all prepped and ready to go. And as you see here, I have my tofu cut up into like roughly 2 by 4 inch slabs with a 1/4 inch thick. Some of them are kind of messed up, but I'm not going to kid anybody and try to cook on a perfect, I don't know, chef here, I guess. But either way, it's going to cook up nice and taste the same. Make sure you have a plate ready or some kind of device ready that will, you can put your tofu on when it's done cooking. And you want to have something with like high lips on it. Like I got this plate, kind of has like a higher lip on it. You're going to be putting the tofu in there when you're done, then you're going to be putting soy sauce in there to soak it up. But we'll talk about that when we get there. So either way, you're going to cook this tofu about 3 or 4 minutes on each side until it's fried up all nice and neat. And as you see here, I have it nice and fried up on one side. Probably could have put a little bit longer on that side. I might flip it back over before I'm done. And now I'm frying up the other side. Once the other side's fried up, I'm going to go ahead and put it on my plate. And I'm going to move on to frying up some more pieces before I start soaking them all in soy sauce. Alright, once you have them all cooked up, you're going to go ahead and put them on your plate or bowl or whatever, and you're going to go ahead and drench them in soy sauce and let them soak for about 5 to 10 minutes. So while you're doing that, I want you to put more oil into your pot, or your pan, sorry. You're going to have some chopped up green onions. You go ahead and put the green onions into your So you're going to fry them up. You're going to fry them up for probably good 2 or 3 minutes. You don't want to fry it. Once those are done, you're going to go ahead and put them off to the side. And once your tofu is done cooking, you're going to go ahead and put your rice in a bowl or a plate. Put your tofu on top and then sprinkle on these freshly fried up green onions. So there it is. You have your tofu fried up and soaked in soy sauce. You have your fried up green onions on top, all on top of some nicely, well, I overdid my rice, but you know what I mean. Some nice yummy rice. I put a little bit more soy sauce on top because I love the taste of soy sauce, and there you go. Really quick 4 ingredient recipe, stress-free, quick meal for everyone for either a snack or for a meal. And there you have it. Like I said, really simple and tastes fantastic. I like soy sauce, so having it soaked in that soy sauce for a while just tastes amazing. The fried green onions add really nice flavor to it. So if you want to add more to it, go for it. I only cut up about 3 stalks for mine. It's up to you how much you want to do. And it's only fried for like 2 or 3 minutes, and you're good to go. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button down below, as well as a little bell, so that way you know when I post more videos. I actually got a bunch of samples from that Marna Maria I talked about last video. I got a bunch of samples. So I'll probably start doing more videos showing off how the samples can be used, along with my little code and everything for their website to get 15% off. Anyway, I hope you like this video, and I hope to see you around.